Hello traders. Hello. Hello. So I have taken a trade on ETH. So I was watching this from past half an hour. Not half an hour, even more than half an hour. I was watching this from 6:30. So I was waiting for a retracement and then a breakdown and a structure formation of lower lows and lower highs. So finally the setup has come. Um, and I haven't done a trade, so I'll explain how the reasons why I took a trade. So daily chart analysis, it is in downtrend, and this is a key support where I still have a bandwidth to take a trade. That's one reason. And this is in a, like I said, this is a downtrend, and this is a support. I still have some still have some room to take a trade. That's one reason. Coming to 15 minutes chart, there is a resistance here, okay, and there is a resistance here. So it is in resistance, okay, at 15 minutes chart. I've drawn these lines. Then coming to 5 minutes chart, this is a previous 6 months high. This is a range, and this is low, and this is again a range. So let's quickly place a stop loss. Okay, so I'm expecting a small retracement here, but this might happen because it's already given a breakdown, and it has crossed like starting range. It has broken it. It went up again. It has broken these levels. So now this has become a structure change, which is basically a higher, lower high and lower lows. So let's see how it goes. Again, having a mindset of accepting the losses. If it is giving a profit, I'm good. If it is giving a loss, I'm good. I've smiled it, I'll accept it and wait for the next opportunity. Okay. So yesterday I took a trade. Yeah, here. I took a trade here. Okay. So I entered a trade somewhere here. Yeah, I have seen this. There's a breakout. So I have taken a trade here for this levels. Okay. Because it is continuously falling down. Lower lows and lower high. First lower highs and then given a breakout. And then I got a good opportunity to take a trade. Okay. Let's see how it behaves. And coming to Euro USD, let's go to daily chart. Daily chart is sitting on the support, literally on the support. Okay. So here two things. Either you can look for a buy position because it's a major support, daily support. You can look for a buy position, or you can wait for this breakdown and then see. It all depends on how what market is doing on 15-minute chart and 5-minute chart. So everything is dependent on that. And we should see this is just a directional, okay? Daily chart will just give you a directional move, meaning where is the market sitting? Is it at resistance or it's at support or what's happening? Okay. So on shorter time frame at these levels, you should understand how market is behaving. Okay. So market has started a day here. Okay. So look at this. It is kind of again, this is a retracement, came down, spent some time, and still there's no clear move here, right? And it's sitting on the daily time frame. So we should understand what is the structure, what is the price action that it is behaving at this zone. See, it has come down, went up and come down, spent some time. It is trying to touch these levels again, but it did not cross this level and there's no close, right? So in these cases, we should still wait and observe, wait and observe. This is 15 minutes chart. If you draw the trend lines, there is no perfect trend line that you would get, but something like this you can draw, because this is a fall and retracement. I would say this is somewhere around 0.3 as a Fibonacci levels, and nearing 0.5. So this is a perfect retracement for sell off. So it came down again. Then we will see from here to here. Yeah, it almost reached 0.618, or basically here, sorry. So this is again 0.3, right? 0.3 levels. From there, it is getting a retracement. So this is a 15-minute chart. We'll go to 5-minute chart. So 5 minutes, and what we will do is we'll just mark few levels of previous 6 hours range. So this is high anyways. This is a mid range, and this is a low, and here we have another mid range. So if you observe, market is respecting this resistance for a long time. Okay, it's like completely obeying this. So next move, what could happen is, if it has to go upward, right? This is a moment which should sustain. Okay, all big candles of green should come. Okay, if it turned out to be a negative, meaning sell side, then uh, it should not break these levels, and from here it should like come down, spend some time and give a hard breakout, so that all the buyers who are there at this point will have their stop losses here, right, as a sell orders. So that's how, if the sell triggers, everything will come down. Okay, that's how you should read the charts. So currently $47 at loss. Let's see. The traders finally turned into a profit. So you can see it has exactly taken a reverse from this support. This support has become resistance now. So it has come down. Oh, profit भी hit हो गया देखते देखते. So this is how you trade, traders. So 1000 हो गया. Yesterday I said, right, today morning I said, right, yesterday I have taken a trade. So I made $200. And this was the previous day where I took a euro trade. And today I have made 369 USD. So this is my trade today. It's almost 9 o'clock. So before 9 o'clock, my day is done. So entire rest of the day is in my hands. I can spend how much how much ever I want, how much ever I want to relax, I can do. So this is how you trade, traders. Okay, if you look at this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 losses I had, only 4 profits I had. Okay, and still I am in huge profits. So if you do this consistently over a period of time, like 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, your discipline भी बढ़ता है, your consistency will increase, your focus will increase, your confidence will increase. Eventually, you'll become a profitable trader. So this is how you have to trade. This is how you should keep in mind the discipline and waiting for the setup. So I was sitting from 6:30 in the morning till 8:15. So almost 2 hours में वेट कर चुका हूँ मेरे ट्रेड के लिए. And then finally I got a trade. I have taken it. It has given me, so market has rewarded my patience, my consistency, my setup. I was waiting for my setup. A sub market ने respect किया मेरे को, and it has given a profit. So always remember, trade with conviction, trade with discipline, maintain that patience levels. तुरंत घुसना मत घुसना market में. You give some time, try to understand what it is trying to do. It is so it is at a major support, I said, right? Support पे खड़ा हुआ है. लेकिन what's happening on the 15-minute chart? So 15-minute chart पे बहुत गिरा, and then it has given slightly upwards, but still it is at resistance. So today morning market opened at that range, and previous 6 hours high का a resistance हो गया. I was not able to break. Eventually, it has become a downtrend, like lower highs and lower lows form हुआ, and then it has broken this zone, and I have entered the trade here. Okay, so this is how you trade, traders. This is how you trade. Agar, let us say, if it is not breaking these levels, it would have gone up like this. So I would wait for this situation here and then see if it is respecting this 15 minutes downtrend line and forming a again breakdown, or since it is a standing at support zone, will it like spend some time and then give upward breakup? So that's what I'll see. Okay, if it gives breakout again, it will stop here. I will see here. So I will have to wait. And it depends. So agar if it is giving a breakout upper side wala, I will see the candles how it is moving. See, like this, it is like creating lower lows and lower highs, but the candles are in red, big red candles, right? I'll see how the movement is. Look at this movement. So after a breakout, how the candles are green. If I see this setup here, I will buy, because it is at support zone. It has broken a resistance and it is continuously giving bullish candles. मेरे को इतना सारा मोमेंट को कैप्चर नहीं करना है. सिर्फ what I want is just a normal 10 to $12, 12 points bus, and 5 to 6 points of my stop loss. That's all I wanted. Nothing else. There is nothing to worry, or there's nothing that you have to be hurry about. आराम से बैठो, देखो क्या कर रहे हो, market what is trying to say. Like I said, the market direction is downwards. Market direction is downwards. I have to go with the direction. I cannot decide the direction of the market. Market will decide the direction. It has decided the direction that it will go down. I am with the market. I am with the trend. So that's how I made a profit today. So this is the mindset that you have to build. Okay. And yeah, coming to positioning size, right? So it is a very key thing in risk management. Position sizing is very, very important. See, if you look at my position size, I have been always trading with 20 units. 20 units. So this is euro, okay? This is euro USD. That's the reason I had to trade 5 lakh units, because the value is, the tick size is very small, 0.00001. That's the moment. See, if you look at this, hardly I captured how many points? So I sold it 17 points, right? Yeah, 17 points was my like 0.000017 into 5 lakhs. So the tick size is very low here. That's the reason I had to take 50 lakhs. Otherwise, if you take ETH, I'm always trading with only 20 units, 20 units, 20 units, 20 units. So trade with one particular size until you become profitable. Meaning, if I cross like let's say $20K, then I will increase my 20 to 30, so that my profitability increases. By the time my setup is also perfect, I know when to enter, when to wait. So मेरा discipline भी बढ़ जाता है, consistency बढ़ जाता है, and then after 20K profits, if I increase my lot size to 30, then I will make a profit there also. So till then, till you make certain profit, your mindset will not accept the loss that it is. If the trade goes against you, your mind will not accept that part of loss which is incurred with a higher position size. That is the reason when you hit 50, like higher position size in the market, when you execute higher position size in the market, your losses will destroy your discipline. Your losses will make you feel market is unfair. Your position size will tell you that you are not being profitable. So self-doubt bhi aa jata hai. So these all things will contribute because of position size. You should never ever increase your position size just like that. So पहले देख लो, is this setup working fine for me with the small quantity? Practice it, discipline banao, consistency badao. Then only you will have to increase your lot size after certain profits. Because by the time you hit your 20K profit, you will be already trading at least 100 to 200 trades, right? So by that time, your discipline will increase. The way you look at the market charts will be disciplined, will be consistent. You look into the charts with the same lenses, same key resistances, key supports on 15 minutes daily and 5 minutes. Everything is repeated. Everything is repeated. See, one thing I'll tell you, from nature you should learn lot many things. So every day sun will rise and set. So he will never stop doing it. Maybe clouds will come in between and the day will become cloudy. Otherwise, sun is every day is rising in the east and setting in the west. So it's a routine, it's a discipline that sun has. It is a discipline that we should learn from his sun. Okay. So every day will come, every day will come. He will never think a boring year. Disciplined cheese will be boring. Disciplined things will be boring in life. Daily you will brush your teeth, daily you will take bath. These are not getting bored because you are habituated to that. That is your discipline. If you stay unbrushed, in a day, you will feel odd. So that's the reason discipline is the key. So it's like life uh, things, right? Discipline you should learn from a nature. Okay, discipline you should learn from a nature. Sun will rise in the morning and sets in the evening. Every day he comes. It's a routine for him. That's the discipline he had. Only then we are all able to survive. Likewise, discipline is important. If you are able to execute these trades every day in a similar manner, same analysis, same charts, same levels, same everything in a consistent manner for 100, 200 times, that's when you will become a profitable. Take a setup. I'm not saying take my setup. You can take any setup. Any setup is fine, but you have to execute it for 100, 200 trades. So you will understand where your edge is. Edge meaning, what is meant by edge? Here, my key edge is the patience, waiting till the direction clear move. So that's my edge. So when I say edge, it's clear that I know when the market is giving me a signal. I will wait till that signal. I am waiting that for that signal is my edge. Okay, you should identify your edge. Take any setup, and you did not stay with my setup, but be disciplined as sun. Be disciplined as be consistent as sun. अगर एक दिन सन नहीं आया तो क्या होगा? What will happen? Your food will not be there because sun rays will hit the ground and then photosynthesis will happen and then your food is grown. Your body will be full of diseases if sun doesn't arise, because he is a reason, his rays are reason why the bacteria in and around your body is dying, right? So that is how you should be disciplined and consistent. One day if sun is not coming, you will go mad, and you'll go mad. There is no light, there is no food, there is no life happening around, you will go mad. Likewise, if you are not disciplined enough, one day if you hit your अचानक से चलो देखेंगे क्या है, हम लोग प्रॉफिटेबल है अभी बोल के, if you increase your position size, you're gone. No matter what, you're gone. Because even though, see, I have entered here. So when I was looking into it, I was hitting $91 of loss. I mean, I have seen $91 of loss. Though my stop loss is somewhere here, $91 loss. एक छोटा से मूव से मेरा $91 का लॉस देखा है मैं. अगर if I hit 1000, 2000 units, this would have become $91,000, right? I cannot take, even though my stop loss is here, I will start panicking here only because I don't have that capacity. Same way, you cannot trade huge positions. Take a position to that extent where you can bear the loss. That's all. No more playing with the position size. You should be disciplined with position size. One incorrect position size, gone for a toss. You cannot handle emotionally. These are the rules that you have to write. Okay. Never ever go beyond your risk appetite position size. Like I said, it will even though, see, let us say 100 trades you have done with small quantity and you have traded big, you are in good profits. But one day, if you decided that you will go for a big position size, you will be tempted. Should not get tempted. Because you have tempted, you have gone for a big position. Okay. So the temptation is an emotion. So like I said in the previous videos, market will kick out if you are emotional. Market will kick you out if you are undisciplined. Market will kick out if you are playing with it. Market is supreme. So it will know your emotions. Agar हर बार you are trading only 20 units and then अचानक से you have started trading 1000 units, it will understand, okay, this guy is playing stupid with me, I will punish it. So it will kick you out with the reason of emotions. Okay. So never ever trade with huge position sizes. Maintain the position size. See, sometimes what will happen, 20 units ही रहता, Sometimes you will have 500 rupees stop loss, $500 stop loss, $1,000 ka target. That is fine because you are still sticking to 20 units of your position size. Let us say you are not able to take $500 ka loss. Come karo, trade only 5 units where this thing, if you trade only 5 units, you will risk will come down 50 to 60 USD will come, and then against 120 ka target ho jayega. That's fine. End of the day, you are making money, right? So plan your position accordingly. Either you stick to a units, how many units you want to trade, or stick to the percentage of losses, like 1% or $500 per trade or $200 per trade or $120 per trade. That is also fine. I would say sticking to the loss amount that you can take is more consistent than sticking to the 20 units, because let us say there is a big move. Okay, let us say here it is a okay, let us say here, yeah, here. So if I take a trade here, my target is so much. Okay, it's a very big, sorry, my stop loss is very too high. If I take a trade here, my stop loss is this much. Oh my god, it's very huge, but my target is this much. So what I'll do, I know that my risk appetite is only $100, right? I will calculate how many dollars are there here. 100 divided by this difference. First ho gaya. I will be sticking to my $100 loss, and then I have $100 $100 or $150 profit. End of the day, you are making a profit. But if you are okay with taking that amount of loss with 20 units, like, see, let us say till here, if you take 20 units, your stop loss, if it hits your stop loss, you are having some $500 loss. Okay, if you are able to take it, then fine, because you are only sticking to 20 units. And end of the day, your account will increase if the target is hit, right? So 1000 हो जाएगा, एक ही shot में आ जाएगा, but you are still sticking to your position size of 20 units, which is very good. At this time, you cannot go big. See, you can go big when you know that this setup is, you have seen this setup for a long time, and you are profitable in this setup for a long time. Consistency भी है, discipline भी है, सब कुछ बढ़ रहा है. That's when, if you have a, like, see, now my account is, let us say 1 lakh, 1 lakh US dollars, right? If my account is already 10 lakh US dollars or 20 lakh US dollars, I don't mind taking big risk, because one trade will not wipe out my account, and I have a discipline of two trades per day, right? So that's when I will go and take this seat. I would have known after trading 200 times or 300 times, I know this will have a big move, right? So I know mentally that this position, because I have observed it from a long time, I have trained my eyes to see this setup, have a big profitability in this kind of setups, right? So I know that this will give me a good profit. So after after trading for 200, 300 trades, my mind will know this will give a profitability. That's when I will go big quantity after I achieve my 10 lakh USD account or 20 lakh USD account. Till then, you have to be consistent with 20 units. After proving my setup, after knowing the market behavior and everything, I can see every trade is unique. Okay, let us say 100 times I see this setup as a profitable setup, and 101 time I hit with huge quantity like 1000. And that is also unique trade. It can go down or cannot go down. It's all about probability, right? So end of the day, if it is hitting my stop loss, 1000 units ka stop loss, if it hits, I have a 1 lakh rupee or 1 lakh USD of loss. You understand it? If I have 20 lakh account of funding account, if I have, and 1 lakh is fine for me, because I have 19 lakhs to trade and build that 1 lakh again. Understand? So what I'm saying, if you observe this setup for 100 times, 101 time it might not work, because this is a game of probability. So keeping that in mind, always restrict your position size to a fixed quantity. Don't trade unnecessarily with huge quantity and make losses. Consistency is important. How consistently you are trading with 20 units, how for how long is matters. That will build your discipline. That will teach you how market behaves. That will teach you how to take losses. That will teach you how profitable you can become. Okay, it's not about if you take 10 trades, you have to be profitable in 10 trades. No, what is more important is when you take loss, take small losses. When you take profits, take big profits. That is what it matters. And losing money in market is not a false thing. Everybody loses money. If you look at my account also, I made number of losses more than profits. But what has defined me? I have taken a small losses. I have restricted my trading for two trades in a day. I have restricted my trades to lose less. And when I make money, I go big. Meaning, when my setup is having, I will not compromise on my targets. I will let the target run. I will let the market run to hit my target. That's how it is. So, but when you lose very less. $59, $59, $117, $70, $69, $110, $177. But 3, 4 trades, it put me in $1,000 profit. So it's, see, how did I build this mindset? Because I believed in my setup. I believed in my setup that I know someday this will reward my setup, and this is how the day is. You understanding? So you should be very careful when you trade, especially when you switch your strategies. मेरे लिए, तेरे लिए, and for your family, one thing: stick to one setup, trade it consistently. Let it happen loss. See, if you trade 100 trades, let us say 80 trades you or win. Okay. So let us say first 20 only you made a loss. Okay. But how about next 80? You should see, we thought that your percentage of win rate is 80% in your strategy, right? So agar पहले 20 trades is in losses, okay, then how will you know without testing for this 80 times if you are profitable or not? Correct? So do that execution only. See, after hitting first 20 trades losses also, definitely your psychology will come down. Definitely your motivation will come down. Definitely your discipline will come down. But how you behave in your losing streak will define a trader. How you are taking it, how you are treating your losses, how are you not revenge trading? After 2 trades, close your accounts, close off, nothing doing, go out, enjoy, chill maro, chai piyo, friends के साथ मिलो, enjoy करो. Your friends will work from 9 to 5 jobs and till 11 to 8 whatever they are doing. After coming, they need them. You chill out, karo. You do whatever you want. Just get out of the system. That's all. It is a psychological thing. I'm telling you, humans, when you look at the charts continuously, even after a completion of a trade, your mind will tell your mind. When I say mind, it's not a brain. Mind means Telugulo manasu antaru. Look for a trade. This is happening. This is happening. This is going up. Go enter. Okay, बोलता है. But that is not right. You cannot do that. So after immediate profit booking, go away. Preserve that profits. Then after 1 hour, come again if you want to trade. Okay, trade one more. Look for a setup again. Trade one more time. That's all done. Close off the accounts. Close off the trading terminals. Do not over trade. 2 trades में अगर चाहिए, लेट्स से 1 ट्रेड में हो गया, सेकंड ट्रेड में प्रॉफिट हो गया, फर्स्ट ट्रेड पे प्रॉफिट हो गया, एंड यू विल हंट फॉर द थर्ड वन. दैट विल किक यू आउट. दैट इज व्हाट डिसिप्लिन इज. थर्ड ट्रेड इफ you will not take with small quantity because you are already confident enough that market has given you two profits. You think it will also give me third profit, बोल के you will increase the size, then gone, patash. kick you out like anything. It will take all your profits, and even it will give loss of $1,000, $2,000. And you will not stop with that. You will start recovering the money again from the market. See, treat each trade as a different thing. It's a probability. It's a probability. That's all. Treat each trade as a different trade outcome as a different thing. Don't link loss with the profits. Don't think that you have to recover. That's the worst mindset that every trader has. Even I had. So I built it. I have done a research. I have done disciplined trader discipline workshop. I have done a lot of research. I trained my mind. I trained my brain. I pampered my mind not to react. If there is a loss, accept it. It's a training. Traders, I'm telling again and again. The way you trade, you work, that will teach your mind what to do. Simple. Your mind will remember, your brain will remember what you do. ठीक है. एक बात बोलो मेरे को. You have been trading for 4 to 5 years now. Every day it's a repeater, right? Meaning every time you take a loss, you are training your mind to revenge trade. Meaning you didn't know that that you should revenge trade, right? But what is happening? Looking at screen is poking your mind to take an entry because it is moving big here, which is wrong. That has been you are training your mind from last 4 years, 5 years, and it is remembered it. It remembered to revenge trade every time you make a loss. That is the remembrance it has. So now you make your mind unlearn of that and make your mind learn that accept the losses as it is. So this first time it is hard, second time it is hard, third time it is hard. Do meditation, go do meditation. Wake up early in the morning, try to do meditation, calm your mind before the market starts. That's when the discipline start developing. First time, accepting the loss is different. Second time, accepting the loss is different. Third time, accepting the loss is different. Difficult. Okay. I'm sure first 3 to 4 trades. After knowing this fact, first to 4 to 5 trades, you will still that market is unfair and you are losing your money. Absolutely. But during this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5th time, you should restrict yourself. You should stop your hands. Put your hands in your pocket. Stay without executing. Get away from the system. That will be a practice for the 6th time. So 6th time it will remember, okay. So what will happen? First time you restrict yourself after building the mindset. First time loss, what will happen? You'll restrict yourself. It is very hard to restrict, but you will restrict. Okay. Second time loss, you will restrict. So end of the day, after 2 trades, you will stop your terminal. Forcefully you will do it. But when you come to the next day, you will realize, okay, after stopping 2 trades of loss, my account is still showing a good amount of balance which I can trade today. Right? So second day kya hoga? Again, loss. Stop trading. So this has saved your capital again. So on the 3rd day, you still have a capital to trade. So this will from 3rd day, 4th day, 5th day, you will not feel a pain. From 5th day, it will become a habit. So what really is very important is holding yourself on first day, 2nd day to the losses. If you stop yourself on these days, 4th day, 5th day, 6th day will be easy for you to accept the losses and it will become a habit. If you want, you can try and see. Okay, it's all about training your mind, training your brain, how to react. See, all the 4 or 5 years, what you have done, you trained your mind to revenge trade. You train your mind to not to accept the losses because you feel a market is unfair. You trained yourself. We all train ourselves initially like that only. We all will train our minds to not accept the loss. Insulting it is. अरे market ने कैसे ले लिया मेरे पास पैसे? Remember, you are trading against huge sophisticated technology traders, people who sit in institutions, they know where is your stop loss, they know where is your profits, they know everything, every move that you're doing. They know everything. You are again, see, you are sitting in front of a bloody one system and then you're targeting those people who have highly information. That's what trading is. They'll kick you out. They know where is your stop losses, guys. They know where is your stop loss. They know what you are doing. They know everything about you on the charts. They'll kick you out. And they are there to kick you out. So don't do over smart work. Just believe in what your rules are. Just believe in what you are. That's all. Don't go against them. And trading is a job where you, where your job is to. So when you trade, no, you are actually doing against smart people in the world who are financial institutions. They sit with huge money, bro. These all charts are behaving because of their trade, not because of your trade. They are deciding the market. You should be along with them, meaning you should wait for the moment. So that's how you will build your mentality of a trade. Okay, so don't overtrade, guys. Try to understand, accept the loss. See, market will give as well as market will take. So when market is taking small, give it off. But only if you give the small losses to market, it will give you big returns. A simple logic. Okay, as you walk towards one step towards God, God will come 10 steps toward you. Same way, market maybe if you give small losses to market, which is God, in this business, market will give 10 times profits. Like God has come 10 steps forward to you. Likewise, market will give 10 times profits. This is a logic. Okay, you should remember this. If you are making a loss, accept it. आराम से दे दो, बाहर जाओ, chill करो. You maintain this discipline for 60 days, 70 days, 90 days, or 6 months. 6 months is the best, I would say. 6 months a consistency maintain karo. You will see a progress in your accounts. You will see a progress in your accounts. I'm telling you again and again, being disciplined is very, 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 very difficult. But there is a quote, okay? If discipline is so easy, everyone would be rich in the world. Remember this, okay? Discipline is hard, but if you master it, you are the richest, or you nobody can stop you in the world. And the God is with you if you are disciplined. Okay. So just remember this, guys. Position size is very important. Protecting capital is very important. 2 trades in a day is a max that you should remember. And behave disciplined, and see, you should have patience and calmness. This will build. So this will enable, see, being calm and peaceful mind will enable you to wait for the right setup. So this consistently executing is called discipline. Okay. So this discipline, meaning every day being disciplined, meaning every day you have a calm mind, peaceful mind, you're waiting for the setup. This is a discipline. Everyday discipline contribution is equals to consistency. Simple. Every day being disciplined, every day looking at the same charts, same levels, same kind of a trade setup, every day doing it for certain time is your consistency. Simple. So consistency is equals to profits, profitable trader. As simple as that. You should know how to accept the loss. You should know how to behave if you are winning. If you are winning continuously, take a break. If you are losing consistently, I mean, if you are making profit every day for next 10 days, take a break. It will calm your mind. Overconfidence, nayota. If you are losing continuously for 10 days, take a break. Reset your mindset, reset your psychology, come back, and then trade again. See, after 20 trades of loss, definitely your psychology will go down. Your motivation will go down. You will doubt yourself. You will have a doubt on the setup. But same setup, same rules, executing for 100 trades, 200 trades, that's what the discipline is. That's what the consistency is. That's all. Rest all, you don't care. You don't care it, and it is not in your control. What is in your control? Two trades in a day, position size, capital protection. These are the things which is there in your hands. That's all. This is all your trade management or your risk management, your position management, whatever you say. These three things: protect your capital, two trades in a day, and accepting the losses. That's all. So remember this, traders. Please, you will make it, but have the patience. Sit with a calm mind, peaceful mind, the mindset of waiting for a long time. Let the market give the directions. Let all this happen. Then every day you will do it. That's called discipline. And over a period of time, consistency comes. Okay. So I think this is a good example of sharing how the discipline will counter to accumulate to consistency, and how consistency will accumulate to your overall profitability over a period. This is not a business of one day trade, you will become a super millionaire. No, that's not the case. Every day you have to do this activity. Like sun rises in the east every day and sets in the west every day, you have to. That's the discipline he follows. That's the reason he is praised. Surya is a Bhagwan. How? Why did he become a Bhagwan? Because he has an importance in the world. He has built the discipline that he has to come to people or raise in the morning every day. That is a discipline. That's why, because he is so disciplined, he has become a god. Because he is consistent, he has become a god. Likewise, if you are disciplined enough, if you are consistent enough, you will become a profitable trader. Simple. See, everything you can learn from your nature. Nature has given you a number of examples how to live your life. See, trading is something which will change the way you think about everything. Everything you think, you'll think with peace of mind, calm of mind. कोई जुगाड़ नहीं रहता. I mean, you'll feel so peace. That's why trading is. Trading is not to make money, not to become rich. That's a byproduct. But it will build you a lifestyle. That is more important. That is the key factor where you have to trade. It's not a business where you have to rush. It's a business that you require to sit in peace, meditation, dhyan, कुछ भी बोलो, peacefulness, calmness of mind is the only profession is trading where it requires peaceful mind, no like rushing towards the meetings, nothing doing, just sitting, relaxing, सिर्फ देखना ही है बस, with peaceful mind, calmness of mind. This is the only profession. That's all. If you find a trade, if you find a setup, you'll trade. If you don't find a setup, you'll not trade. That's all. Simple as that. This is the only profession which will not require any rush. Sales lego, sales targets रहता, you have to do sales. Operations देखो, operations में daily target you'll have, you'll hit some loan accounts or whatever it is in your corporate life. Then what? If you took a RTC bus, he has to rush in the traffic. He cannot sit idle. He has to drive. You take any profession. Only profession that needs peace of mind is trading, which is a spiritual process towards the market. Okay. Thank you, traders. Done for the day. So rest all day is in my hands. I can do anything I want. Okay. That's the, so you are trading for a freedom, and then be free. Know why you're trading. When you're trading, be free. Why you want to rush? Because you're trading to get a freedom. So if you have to be free-minded when you trade. That's the only when market will identify that you need these GBPs. ठीक है. But I keep telling this on every, like, whenever is needed, I keep telling this points so that you remember every day and then follow it. Okay. Thank you, traders. Bye.